This is the last day of our cruise for a year. Kind of a sad day, but we still have more of our trip to do. We only brought one suitcase with us on this cruise, and we had to unpack the closets and the drawers and the shelves, put everything in our suitcase, and also pack up our camera equipment, our medical bag, and any odds and ends that we had. In the morning, we decided to not eat, but to get the van from the hotel because we were leaving town and wanted as much time as possible on the road. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.